Alright guys and girls and peoples and subscribers and viewers, it's me. And look at this clown just pulled out in front of me. Thank you very much. I hate this roundabout every bloody morning. Every morning and every afternoon it's the same thing with that roundabout. Worst roundabout around. They really need to do something about this road, I believe, around here. Anyway, in the past some people have said that I complain a little bit too much and that I have a go at too many people, so I'm going to try and give you content, good content, without having to go off too much like I normally do, people. So hope you enjoy the content. I love the comments, keep them coming, and thank you very much for your subscriptions and views and comments and feedback and all that. And I know that sometimes I come across a little aggressive, but I'm not really aggressive at all. I'm very friendly and very happy and a very respectful person. But if you drive like a moron, a wanker or a dickhead in front of me and I see it, I'm going to call it for what it is. But I shall try to downplay some of my comments in future. So thanks again for subscribing, watching, commenting. Please keep it up, and thank you very much, guys and girls. And let's see what today brings, shall we? Onwards and upwards as we go.